So once again, we'd like to thank Extreme Terrain for donating this Barricade recovery kit. It is a really fantastic kit. Includes all of the essential components for you and your rig, and it's very affordable. All right, so let's take a look inside this kit. What do we have here? First off, we have the recovery chain, 28,000 pound strap, 26,000 pound strap. You got a pair of shackles that come with it, a pair of work gloves, and then the 17,000 pound snatch block. High quality snatch block, really great quality overall. And then this also has a grease zerk in it, so you can actually grease this up. Overall, really nice kit inside the bag, good quality stitching, extra side pockets for the work gloves and for the chains and keeping everything together. It's a nice hardy bag. It was given to us by Extreme Terrain for our annual meeting, so we give away these prizes to our members at our events, and we can't thank Extreme Terrain enough. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next video.